Hello, guess who and guess what? It's me, Robbie Susan Chandler, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. If you live in the area, I'd love for you to come over and join me in my classes. I hold classes on Sunday, Mondays, and one at Thursday noon and Thursday evening. Sunday and Monday are afternoon classes. So that's who I am. So now let's look at the what. If you're looking down, or if you're looking here on the video, you're seeing the top of this card. This is called a Flying Seagull card, or the Flying Seagull fold card. And I guess if you do this, it's going to look like a seagull flying. And Susan Campbell is the one I saw, one of her videos on her doing this. But this is the top, but let's look at the front. It folds in, and we're doing a Valentine card today. That's coming up, so we need those. And this is how it looks when it's folded in. When it's folded out, it looks like this when you're standing it on the table. And then the back, folded in when you put it in the envelope, looks like this. It's really very easy to do. So let's get started and I'll show you all the parts and pieces and how to put it together. And oh, before I start on that one, let me show you one more that I did a few months ago. This is another one, and you see it folds out like this. And this one has no designer series paper on it. This background was made with saran wrap, just pouncing saran wrap on that. And on this one I just put the sentiment over on the side like that. So this is another version. So you can see you can do several different things with this fold. Alright, let's start with the base. Now you'll need two of these. This is basic white, and they're 4 1/4 by 8 1/4. And like I said, you need two of them. Now, you start scoring from one end, and you'll score it 2, 2 1/4, then turn it around and score 2 1/4, 1 3/4. And the same thing on this one, 2 1/4, 1 3/4, turn it around, 2 and 2 1/4. Now, if you like to go straight across, I didn't write these down, but they're on my tutorial, my written tutorial, where it scored it 2 1/4, 1 3/4, 4 and 6 1/4. So that's if you're going across this way. But it's easier if you just do it this way and then turn it around and do it that way. Now the secret of this card, once you get this scored, if you notice, this section down here is 2 inches and this one's 2 1/4. You need to make sure those 2 1/4 sections are like this when you put it together. You want them away from each other. But one way to kind of solve that problem is by starting with the designer series paper, like the ones out on the end. This is from the Flower Garden Full specialty paper, and this is a strawberry slush piece, and it's 4 by 2, and it just goes out here on this side and on this side. And then this next section, and by the way, let me show you that paper. This is the one. It's called Flower Garden Fulls. And it comes in 3 colors: cloud cover, pretty in pink, and strawberry slush. And here's the cloud cover. It's pretty in pink and strawberry slush. And then the next piece of designer paper I'm using is the one that's in the current catalog, Made with Love. And we're using several of the, well, actually we're using this piece right here. I have one of these pieces on this card. I think I cut up all the ones like that. But this is the set we're using. Has lots of pretty pieces in it. Okay, so that's the next piece. And these are 4 by 1 1/2. And they go on this section and this section. Now the secret is, if you get it turned around, this piece over here does not fit the 2-inch section. It's too wide. So then you'll know you got it turned the wrong way. So you're going to adhere these two. Let me get these out of the way because I have already done that, of course. Alright, here's my sections. Now the way you fold it, this one folds back, this one folds forward, but this one folds over. So you got back, forward, forward. Same thing over here, back, forward, and forward. Now here's the easy way to put this together. I've seen people, oh, and I got to show you this piece before we put it together. I want to show you this piece. This is the front piece, and some people put this together by gluing this on here, and then they glue this on here and try to match it up and all that stuff. But that's not what I do. I try to make it easy for my customers. And so what I do, I take a piece of Scotch tape and we just kind of butt these up to each other and just put this piece of Scotch tape right down the middle. Ta-da! And there it's together. Now let's build this piece that goes on it. First you'll need basic white, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and then a piece of that designer series paper that I showed you earlier, and it's 4 by 4, and you just adhere it right on top of that. And then there's the pack of doilies that we have. They're called lovely doilies, and they come in this color, and they also come in a lighter pink, this pinky color, bubble bath I guess is what it is. And we're going to put that in the middle, and then we cut some hearts. And this is a retired set, but I used the bubble bath shimmer paper, and it's called pastel shimmer paper, and this is bubble bath. I cut one heart and I put it there, and that dies from Hearts of Elegance, and I think it's retired now. And then another heart. This is a set, a new one that's current. It's called Endless Love Dies, and this is one of the hearts in there, and it's this one right here, and I just cut it out of white glimmer paper. And then this is 2 dies, and I wanted these hearts cut out of here. So what I did, I just got a little piece of painter's tape, taped them together so that when I cut it, it would all cut at the same time and I didn't have to roll it through twice. So that's the other piece here. Now all these little hearts in here, I did save them. As you can see, there's some here. Little tiny ones some people decided to use and some didn't. So this is our front piece, but let me show you how I put that on. So we've got this taped together. Now take your glue and you're just going to put it all over these flaps, and you want to put a pretty good amount as you want this to stay. There we go. And then you're just going to put this down over it and basically center it. Kind of look at your white sections, and then you want an even top to bottom. There we go. All right, there we have it. And see, it pops up, sticks to the front piece. Isn't that pretty? And that was pretty easy, wasn't it? I'm going to cover that up. We're going to use it again. Okay, now let's talk about the back. First, you need two pieces of strawberry slush, and this is 4 by 2. And then you need 2 pieces of basic white that are 3 3/4 by 1 3/4, and these go on here. Alrighty, now on one of them, that heart we were talking about, I put here with some of the little hearts. So let me just turn this over, and we're just going to adhere that there. And I found it's better if you put these right here in these middle 2 pieces, so when you fold it up and put it in the envelope, this is what they see on the back side when they open it up. Alright, there's one of them. Now the other one, I stamped happy birthday, and this happy birthday is from Unbounded Love. But I put these 2 together, and of course this one was Valentine, but I didn't need any more Valentine cards, so I decided just to make this one a birthday card for somebody special. Maybe my daughter-in-law, a good friend. But this one's going to be a, let's just call it a heartfelt birthday card. So there we go. And see, when you fold it up, these go in like that. And then here's your front. Isn't that pretty? And it really wasn't that hard, was it? When you open it up. And so you can put any paper here. It can be any occasion. Just dress it up the way you want it. So I hope you like this card. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share, please. And if you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. I'll have links to the supplies down below. Also a link to a free tutorial. And until next time, oh, and if you'd like to be on a team, I'd love to be your team leader. So until next time, happy crafting.